Selamat petang, good afternoon from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm Pete and I'm here walking through this old neighborhood called Kampung Bahru. It's actually a bunch of old houses that look kind of like countryside houses, or they're the same as your Malaysian countryside house, but they're right in the middle of the city. And I've never really seen anything like this before, where you have these kind of old countryside houses right next to this modern cityscape. In fact, it's right next to the Petronas Towers, so you have the tallest twin towers in the world next to these old wooden houses. You can see them there in the background behind me. So my plan today is to walk around and find a good place to shoot where I can get a contrast of the old, one of these old wooden houses, and the new, or the cityscape, which you can see behind me. It's about 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, sunset's in an hour and a half, and I'm just walking around trying to scope it out, just explore and see what's here and get a feel for the neighborhood and see if anything catches my eye. Hello. How are you? I'm recording the video. Is that okay?
It's okay.
It's okay?
You're from where?
Yeah.
I'm Ridwan.
Hi.
You're from where?
What's your name?
Ridwan.
Redwan.
Yeah, Redwan.
Ah, my name is Pete.
You're from where?
Yeah, I'm from the U.S.
US.
Yeah.
Which part?
Connecticut, close to New York.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. So how old is this neighborhood?
This neighborhood are more than 100 years.
100 years old.
Yeah.
Wow. And have
I'm
you?
the third generation. Below me another 3 generations.
Mm-hmm. So you have 3 generations now.
Yeah, my grandkids are here also.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed you have a Beatles shirt.
Yeah.
You're a big Beatles fan?
No, I grew up listening to them.
Yeah.
When I was in primary 1,
Uh-huh.
the teacher was telling how many days in a week.
7.
And she said 7. No, I said 8. Who said? I said the Beatles.
8 days a week? Okay.
Would you like to come in? Bagi langsung untuk orang. Hello.
Hi, how are you? Yeah.
Shake my hand.
Nice to meet you. Very friendly. Yeah.
Taking a break now.
You're 63.
I hope to get to 64.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, yeah. And because of when I'm 64, isn't it?
Right. Beatles when you're 64. What music? Can you show me some of your music collection? Like what you have Iron Maiden?
What
do you have here?
I'm into everything. Blues, rock, heavy metal,
Yeah.
jazz, R&B, everything.
Who's your favorite you have any favorite
My favorite, Jimi Hendrix.
Jimi Hendrix?
Hendrix, Satriani.
So you like 60s and 70s kind of older
Everything.
stuff?
And not the new stuff lah.
Not the new stuff?
Then I got that. Dino
You got Queen?
that one.
That's awesome.
That's
Look at that.
That one is Paul Rogers.
What about R&B? What kind of R&B do you like?
Aretha Franklin, then Anton Baker, that kind of stuff.
Nice. And then you got Bob Dylan over here.
Oh,
You're a true aficionado.
All his lyrics.
Yeah. You got his lyrics?
This is the living room.
Yeah.
This is our living room because I was born in this house.
You were born in this
I was
house.
born in
What
this
room were you born in?
It was a wooden shack. It was in 1955. Just imagine 1955. The year Chuck Berry came out with Johnny B. Good and all this.
Yeah.
55, yeah.
Yeah. Who's that on the wall over there? That picture?
Oh, these are all my kids, my grandkids. This is myself and my wife. These are my grandkids.
Okay. These are your grandkids.
Yeah.
How do you see this area changing over the next
It's
10
changing
or
very
20
fast.
years?
It's changing very fast.
Yeah. How so?
Also because formerly it was classified as agricultural now they're trying to lift the prices up of the land. So they're building condos, they're building MRTs, all these so that people can communicate easier. It's good for the economy, for the world.
Do you think the people who live here will be able to afford the higher prices?
Not all. Unfortunately, the range of the rich and the poor is same everywhere.
Right.
Yeah, the rich become richer, the poor becomes poorer.
Right. Right.
Yeah, it's not India but if you work hard, you study hard, and you go into business and all this, you must be daring. And if you are more daring, go into politics, you make money, a lot of money.
Politics is where the money's at?
I think that's everywhere in the world, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you have the power in your hand.
Right.
Money is power.
Yeah.
Well, your parents, how old?
My parents are 71.
My father died at 76. My grandfather died at the age of 63. So I expect to somewhere in between. Maybe you'll break the cycle and you'll live to be 80, 85 or 86. Pray for me, but I don't.
I'll pray for you.
I don't wish to live too long. What's there to live for? Too long.
Yeah.
I live my
just to relax. You can go down and go fishing every day and spend time with your grandchildren.
Grandchildren, yes, because I didn't work for the government. I worked for private company. So when you finish your tenure, then they just give you a nice handshake and a wash and all this. Bye bye.
Right.
Here, and when you work for private, not like when you work for Petronas, all those government, semi-government, they'll take care of you. But those, like me, I'm working in a Japanese firm. We just come here, make money. Because your blood, sweat, and your tears. Bye bye.
Yeah.
They pay you, no doubt. They pay you every year. Just an increment, there's a bonus.
Yeah.
If you don't work hard, then you cannot blame anybody. You got to blame yourself, isn't it?
Right.
Wherever in the world, it's the same. Right. You got to work hard, trust. Everything, the integrity must be there, honesty must be there. But
well said, brother.
The world is like that. Yeah. It's not my philosophy. Be nice, whatever we do, be nice.
Yeah.
And then you'll be safe wherever you go.
Well, you were very kind to invite me into your home, and I really appreciate that.
It's okay. Yeah. You want to see my photography? You can have a look.
Okay.
Some personal one. This one when my wife was in Mecca. In Mecca. This is Mecca. This is my younger son. He's wedding. The wife is expecting now.
Are you like durian, huh? You got pictures of durian in there?
No, let's imagine of eating it not too frequently.
Are those your photos?
Yes.
So you take pictures of durian?
Everything.
Really? You're a durian lover? You're the king of fruits?
I just put like, then they give it Mali.
Chuck Berry?
No, Albert King.
BB King?
Albert.
Albert?
Left-handed, yeah, Albert. Albert is the best of all the kings, I think.
Oh, really?
BB, Albert, and body guy.
Kiss. Yeah, it was really nice to meet you.
Yeah, same.
And I'm gonna try and come back a little bit later, and we'll go out for a drink or have a tea or something like that.
Yeah.
So, sound good?
See you later.
Yeah, see you later, my friend.
Take good care.
Okay, all right.
Bye. Yeah.
Well, that was cool. It's not every day people just invite you into your house and ask you for some tea or just chat, even let you record video while you're there. So it's getting darker. I am trying to find a good spot and I still haven't found one yet. I'm just gonna keep walking around and I'm sure something will come up. I'm basically looking for, any old house, probably a wooden house, just something that really shows the test of time. So let's see what we can find. Hello. Let's see if we can find anything.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها وما ربك بظلام للعبيد إليه يرد علم الساعة وما تخرج من ثمرة.
It's getting darker. I still don't have a shot. I've been flying my drone and talking to the locals. I should be setting up in my spot right about now. You can't really tell, I think in the video it looks bright, but it's actually the street lights are on now. So I'm trying to find a spot where I have a clear shot of the two towers, which I think maybe I can get in this street right here. I'm just kind of walking up and down the streets here. Let me try this way. Maybe we can find something. Time is running out. Oh, this could be it, folks. This might be it. Let's see here. Nice. So this little girl came out and she's kind of posing for me. I asked her to jump into the scene so you can see her here. Okay, you ready? 1, 2. With your friend? Okay, cool. Okay, hold on. Don't move. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Hold on. Hold on. What's your name? Your name is Sakina? Thank you, Sakina, for modeling for me for the photo. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Sama-sama. Okay, bye-bye. Well, that was fun and turned out much better than expected. I think I got a really good shot. I won't know until I get home and edit the photo, but I'm pretty excited about it. So now I'm gonna go back to Muhammad's house because I promised him that I would stop by after it got dark and maybe go have a tea or something. So that's about it for today. Don't leave just yet. I'm gonna show you some information like where I stay and where I like to eat. So hang on a second and I'll show you some of my favorite spots in KL if you do come over this way one day. One of my favorite places to eat in Kuala Lumpur is Cafe Old Market Square. Now they serve up this dish called Nasi Lemak, which is Malaysia's national dish of a rice cooked in coconut milk with some fried chicken and sambal sauce, peanuts, and anchovies, and then a hard-boiled egg on the side. This is amazing and one of the best places that I've eaten at. Also, when you're finished, don't forget to wash it down with a cup of the local coffee. The place I like to stay at is called 1,000 Miles Hotel, and it's also near Masjid Jamek Station and costs around 130 ringgit per night. All right, let's take a little tour of my room. And you can see what $30 gets you in the center of Kuala Lumpur. So this place is clean. That's one of the things I really like about it. You have a nice little desk to do some work. You got a TV, like 10 cable channels. And if you look out, the view is nothing spectacular, but it's much quieter here on the back side of the building than being on the front where the main street is. And you have your own little bathroom right there too. Just next door to the 1,000 Mile Guest House is Restaurant Santa, which is a Punjabi chapati house. You can see them there making fresh chapati every day. They also have a nice selection of curries to go along with your meal. It's not that expensive and just a nice place to grab a quick bite to eat. I'll put links to all these places in the description below.